Welcome to the introduction of HSE-led auditor training course. I will now go over our course description with you. This HSE-led auditor training course will develop the necessary expertise to perform and lead external audits of the HSE Management System for any organization on behalf of any certification bodies by applying internationally accepted audit principles, procedures, and techniques in compliance with ISO 19011 guidelines for audits. You might be aware that ISO 45001 standard has replaced the earlier version of OHSAS standard ISO 18001, and ISO 14001 has replaced its earlier version ISO 14001. Therefore, it becomes imperative for lead auditors to fully understand each clause and subclause of the new standards. This HSE-led auditor training online course comprises 11 sessions, some of them are as given below. Overview of course and standard. Requirements of ISO 14001 and ISO 45001. Documented information, risk management, HSE system internal audit process. Audit terms and definitions and roles and responsibilities. Performing an audit. This particular module is a part of the online course. E-learning with audio presentation. Handouts in PDF format. Sessions and final exam. Training certificate. An online course will often include these characteristics. Cost and time efficient, fast and effective, convenient and flexible, anywhere and anytime training. Thank you for watching our video. Please contact us at sales@punyamacademy.com or visit www.punyamacademy.com if you have any queries.